In the meantime, here are a couple of short-term solutions which may help you. When you are woken up during the night with the sound of snoring, roll the person onto his or her side, as people tend to snore less in that position. And if possible, do it so that they're on the edge of the bed facing away from you. Now, most people know when they're on the edge of the bed even when they're asleep, so don't worry about them falling out. And then put some pillows right up against their back so that they don't roll back over again. Another solution is to sleep in a separate room. Many partners of snorers, a friend of mine included, find that they sleep much better in a separate room. And while some worry about a loss of intimacy from sleeping separately, many people find that they are able to be more intimate because they are less tired and less grumpy from being kept up all night. So if you do choose to sleep separately, set aside a special time in the evening before going to your room, or maybe in the morning before beginning your busy day. So let's just take a moment to look at this chart. It's a worldwide study and it shows the percentage of people who snore. 31% of people aged 30 and over snore. The percentage of people aged 40 and over is 42%, of which 19% are women, and the percentage of people who say that their partners snore is 59%. And of course children snore as well, and there we can see 5.6%. And the percentage of people who snore but also experience sleep apnea, that's 28%. And the average decibel level of a snore is approximately 38 decibels. Now, I think that probably compares to the normal background noise of a busy home, or maybe the office where you work. Now, I just mentioned sleep apnea, and for those of you that have never heard of it or are unsure as to what it is, I will be covering this in another video. But basically, it's where someone repeatedly or momentarily stops breathing when they are asleep, and it's something that affects around 14 to 16% of men and 10 to 12% of women.